This video will show you how to upscale Sora 2 videos with higher resolution. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the video. But before we do that, we're going to have to remove the watermark. And the best way to do this is to head over to KIE, go over to Models Market, and in the search bar, search for Sora 2. And you're going to select Sora 2 watermark removal. So go over to the video, copy the URL. Now the URL only works if you have posted the video. A lot of the issue people run into is they generated the video, but they never post the video. So if you pay attention to the right-hand side, it says post. You're going to have to make that URL public, and then it's going to be usable with that tool. Head back to KIE. So right here where it says video URL, you're going to paste in that URL, and it costs about 10 credits. And I find this extremely helpful when I am generating a lot of UGC AI content using Sora 2. So when you hit run, it's going to remove the watermark, and then you can download that video right here. I find KIE extremely helpful with plenty of AI models out there, and there's no monthly subscription. You use it as you go, and you just buy credits. And I'm going to leave that link in the description. So right here is our video.
The better option I found on the TikTok shop. This is sitting on your skin.
So no watermark, and you go ahead and download the video. And now we're going to take that video to Higgsfield to upscale it to a higher resolution. So on the Higgsfield's dashboard, you're going to go over to edit, and you're going to hit upscale. And you're going to upload that video we just downloaded. After the video has been uploaded, you're going to go over to the right-hand side, click on the drop-down menu. Right here where it says Higgsfield Upscale, you're going to click on that. Right now, it only supports up to 1080p, and the 2K version and the 4K version is coming later. But another way to do this is to go over to Top Hats Video. Okay, here you can have you have a bunch of options. Here we're going to just select 2K. For the advanced setting, we're going to just leave it as default. And we're going to hit upscale. Okay, now the upscaling has completed. If we look at the original, and if we look at the finished product, there's a little bit of improvement, but not the best. Until Higgsfield Upscale gives us the 2K and the 4K version that works directly on Sora 2 output, the resolution were probably not going to change as much. But this is where we have to use Sora 2 Pro, which you can access it inside Higgsfield. You go over to video, and you go over to Sora 2. And right here, you can click on Model, and you can choose Sora 2 Pro or Sora 2 Max. But the problem with those models right now is that they cannot create consistent characters more than 15 seconds. If you are creating AI UGC content that needs to be 60 seconds long or even longer than that, the best way to do it right now is to still use Sora 2 at the time of making this video. But in the future, things might change. But if you want to try this out, you can use the first link in the description to check out Higgsfield. And in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Sora 2 to create consistent characters that can make UGC AI content more than 15 seconds long.